guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Zikra Azra from the Special Education Department. Here I will tell and introduce you all about the lubuk hitam waterfall, found in West Sumatra. Let's see together, guys. Lubuk hitam waterfall located in West Sumatra, Indonesia, is a stunning natural tourist attraction located with the Bukit Barisan Mountain. Now for its stunning natural condition around lubuk hitam waterfall, surrounded by dense forest which creates a cool and peaceful atmosphere. This lubuk hitam waterfall has 3 levels of waterfall, each offering unique view and clear natural pools of swimming. This environment is also rich in biodiversity, including flora and fauna, typical of tropical forests such as endemic fish or rare plants, making it ideal for nature lovers and photographers. The journey to the waterfall involves a challenging trail with view of the hills and refreshing sound of nature, providing a peaceful escape for city life and making for unforgettable experience. The trip to Lubuk Hitam Waterfall offer an amazing and fun adventure experience. There are several aspects that make this trip interesting. Namely, visitors have to go through a trekking route that is uphill and steep, with a slope of up to 45 degrees. Slippery and rocky terrain demands extra concentration and stamina. Second, along the journey, visitors are treated to stunning natural panoramas, including expanses of green rice fields, hills, and the open sea. The sound of birds and the roar of the waterfall add to the natural atmosphere. And thirdly, certain times, visitors can see a beautiful rainbow around the waterfall due to the sunlight hitting the water droplets, creating stunning visual experience. Come on, what are you waiting for, friends? Let's explore and visit this Lubuk Hitam waterfall tourist attraction. But don't forget to keep Lubuk Hitam waterfall tourist area clean. That's all